Look at that. Lunchtime, guys. Hello, lovely people. What is up? It's me, Maidah, the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because it's my ultimate favorite sandwich. Guess what? It's the grilled cheese sandwich. But of course, guys, we're gonna make our own version or my own version of grilled cheese. I'm actually going to use 3 types of cheese. I've got here the Gouda natural slices, I've got the Swiss, and I've got the mozzarella slices. Or any mozzarella, even if it's not sliced, you can grate them, but I'm using this just to make our life a little bit easier. And earlier, I pretty much prepared all of our ingredients. I've got the butter, I've sliced my sun-dried tomatoes, I've chopped my jalapeno, and I've got my bread. I'm gonna slice them up later, and I'm really excited about this dish because I'm craving for some cheese and I'm a cheese lover. So are you excited, guys? Come on, it's grilled cheese. I mean, you know, you can have this grilled cheese any time of the day. So I'm gonna show you how to make my own version of this sandwich, and we're gonna call it the Drunken Chef grilled cheese. So let's dive into it, guys. First things first, we've got our bread. I bought this in a supermarket. It's sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread in my grilled cheese because it gives a good texture to your grilled cheese, and you know I'm tired of this square bread, and you know, to elevate your grilled cheese you can use any type of bread. To be honest, it's your preference, it's your choice, but today we're gonna use this sourdough bread. We're gonna slice them up to probably like ½ inch. And now it's time to assemble our grilled cheese. You're gonna need a butter. I prefer a soft butter because it's easier to, you know, spread on your bread, and it's just the flavor is not so strong, it's just light. So we're just gonna spread the butter in our bread. There you go, just spread generously. I love butter on the bread, just like gives rich flavor. So both bread will have butter. Now it's time to flip our bread over, and it's time to assemble our grilled cheese. First, we're gonna add some English mustard, ½ teaspoon. I'm just gonna put mustard on one side of the bread. This will just give a depth of flavor. And then next we're gonna add one of our cheese. We're gonna add the Swiss cheese. We're just gonna add 2 of the Swiss cheese like this. And now I'm adding the jalapeno. I love spicy food, so I'm gonna go hard on my jalapeno. But if you don't like jalapeno, just add cheese. But this flavor combination I'm making is just gonna make your grilled cheese elevate more. Okay, so next is our Gouda cheese. I'm gonna layer that on top. 2 slices, it's okay. And then our sun-dried tomatoes. Generally put that in. Go, look at that. I can't wait to eat this, guys. And from there, guys, we're just gonna add some peppers. Right, and lastly we're gonna add our mozzarella cheese. Just on top like that. Alright guys, our grilled cheese is ready to cook, and now look at that baby. Looks really good. I'm so excited to try this one, guys. So let's go back in here and cook this baby. So I'm just trying the New World, the sourdough that I bought earlier. So look at that. It's soft in the inside and crusty. If you heat this up, it's gonna be perfect. It's really nice. So now your pan medium heat, just straight in your bread. So as I've said earlier, guys, your cheese is your choice, okay? So you can use just 1 cheese or just 2 cheese, but I prefer 3 cheese. And now we have to slowly cook this, because otherwise if you just cook it and the bread is already cooked and the cheese is still not cooked, that's gonna be a really bad grilled cheese, okay? So let's be patient. So good. The spiciness of jalapeno is kicking, but it's not so much, but overall it's really good. So here we are, guys. Let's have a try of our grilled cheese. Look at that, guys. You can see the jalapeno, you can see the sun-dried tomatoes inside. It's a bit cold right now, but it's warm. And I've got this maple syrup. It's optional. It's not that it's required to eat grilled cheese with the maple syrup, but it's just adds flavor, because it's really rich, cheesy, and adding maple syrup would make a big difference. So good. So good. I love the spiciness of the jalapeno and the sun-dried tomato. The texture is really perfect. The butter outside makes it really crunch. So you can hear that crunch on bread is spot on. I'm a big fan of cheese, guys, so I really love it.